Today we are going to talk about how to use AC with baby. Hello everyone, কেমন আছো তোমরা সবাই আবার একটা নতুন ইনফরমেটিভ ব্লগে। Avoid direct airflow on baby whether from the AC or fan. Avoid sudden temperature change before taking the baby out for the room. Turn off the AC and allow some time for gentle transition. Dress baby appropriately. Don't keep them sleeveless nor multiple layers. Use a light AC blanket for them. Service AC regularly as there may be accumulated dust in it which can be harmful for your baby. Maintain temperature between 23 to 27 degrees centigrade, adjusting for outside weather condition, and keep your baby's skin moist.